Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how to create an account on Botim app. So what you have to do, you have to install Botim from Play Store or App Store, what matter your phone is, then open your Botim, and after that you will find this page. Click Start, call in, and right now you have to write your number here. Before that, choose your country. For example, me, I'm from Morocco. Now write your number, click next, and when you click next you will wait and click here continue again. And right now they will send you like a passcode. As you see here, I will just write it 2 1. After that you have to wait again. Now you have to give access to this option for photos and contacts. Click here, click allow again. And right now guys, congratulations, you create an account on your Botim app, easy and quick. So that's it. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.